Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Assetto Corsa. Open Options and go to Controls now. Choose the exact input device you use, wheel, gamepad, or keyboard, because settings are device-specific. Once done, select an existing control profile or create a new one so changes won't overwrite defaults. This ensures you can revert easily. Make sure the profile name is meaningful. You're ready to access gearbox-specific settings next. Since the automatic shifting toggle lives inside now go to the transmission or gearbox section inside that profile. You'll see an automatic gearbox option. Switch it to off or change transmission type to manual because that directly disables auto shifting. Then bind your gear up and down inputs. Map paddles, H pattern, or keyboard keys as needed. If you use a clutch, map and calibrate it here too. Once mapped, test shifting in the garage briefly. This confirms the manual inputs are recognized before finalizing. Save the profile and exit back to the garage or a test session, then drive slowly and use your mapped inputs to shift manually. You want to confirm shifts are responsive and that the game no longer auto shifts for you. If shifting doesn't work, check for binding conflicts. Sometimes steering wheel software or another profile overrides controls, and recalibrate your device. Reassign any duplicated buttons, restart Assetto Corsa if necessary, and retest. That usually fixes input recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.